friends. I'm so glad you could join me today to sing and move. Before we start our music time, there's a couple of materials you'll have to get so that you can sing and move with us today. The first thing you'll need is a scarf. Now, I have this kind of greenish scarf that I can see through, but yours you don't have to see through. And maybe yours is bigger than mine or smaller than mine. That's all right. Maybe it's a different color. The big thing you want is a piece of fabric that can move and float, that you can sway around with. So it might be a scarf that you wear. It could be a piece of maybe like some play clothing that you have, like a little veil or a crown type thing that might have some fabric that you can move around. Or it might be a cloth napkin. That's about the right size too. So take a moment and think about where you could find a piece of cloth or fabric in your house that we could move around while we sing. The other thing that we're going to use in our second video today, rhythm sticks. Now, I have a pair of rhythm sticks at my studio. It's just like the kind of sticks that we play at school. One stick is bumpy and one stick is smooth. And both of these sticks are kind of long and they're blue. Now, you might have some rhythm sticks at home too. And if you do, great! We can use them when we sing today. But you might not have rhythm sticks at home like I do. So what else could you use? Well, you'd need two of them. They have to be kind of stick shape, kind of long and thin. If you have some chopsticks that break apart, you could use those. You might look outside in your backyard and find two sticks or twigs that are about the right size to use. Or maybe you have some toy drumsticks to play with a toy instrument, or a toy xylophone might have two mallets that you could use. So think about what you might have at your house that you could use as rhythm sticks. And if you can't find anything at all, that's okay too. There's a way that we can use our hands instead of our sticks. So I'll show you that when it's time to sing. Now, it might take you a moment to get those things. So why don't you pause the video and you can get your scarf and your rhythm sticks and put them off to the side so that they'll be ready. Then you can press play again and we'll be ready to sing. Did you get everything? Great. Let's get started. I'm going to play a letter D on my pitch pipe so we can sing our hello song. There's a part of this hello song that keeps coming back. To sing that part, you put your fingers together like this, and you roll them up and clap. You roll them down and clap. Roll them up and clap. Roll them down and drum. Let's try it while we sing. to see you. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum-bum-bum. 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 Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-ba-ba. Let's sing hello to our preschool friends. Hello, preschool friends. Welcome to our music time. Hello, preschool friends. Very nice to see you. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum-bum-bum. 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 Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-ba-ba. Now let's sing hello to the kindergarteners. Hello, kindergarten, welcome to our music time. Hello, kindergarten, very nice to see you. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum-bum-bum. 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 Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-ba-ba. Now let's sing to everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our music time. Hello, everyone. Very nice to see you. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum-bum-bum. 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 Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-ba-ba. Now it's your turn to sing hello to me. Hello, Jess. Very nice to see you. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum-bum-bum. 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 Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-ba-ba. Now that we've sung hello, it's time to use our scarves. So take your scarf or your piece of fabric and we're going to bunch it up into a tiny little ball. We're going to swing it back and forth like this. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Did you see when I threw the scarf? Let's try it again. Bunch it up. Sway back and forth. And here we go. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Some people like to try to catch their scarf as it comes down. Let's see if we can catch it this time. Squish it up. Sway back and forth. And here we go. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Oh, I didn't quite get there in time. I didn't quite catch mine. Did you catch yours? Oh. Now, I'm sure lots of you are figuring out when to throw the scarf because you're watching me and you're seeing me with your eyes, and that's how you know when to throw the scarf. But did you know there's another way to tell that it's time to throw our scarves? We can listen carefully to the song, and if you're listening carefully, you'll be able to hear when it's time to throw the scarf. Let's see how carefully you can listen. Squish up your scarf. This time, close your eyes so you're not using your sight to see me anymore. And let's just listen with our ears and see if we can throw at the correct time. Ready, here we go. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Oh, did you hear it? Yeah, my voice gets louder when it's time to throw the scarf, doesn't it? Let's try it one more time. Squish up your scarf. Close your eyes and try to say it with me. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. There. Let's do one more thing with our scarves. Stand on up. I'm going to have to move back or else I won't be in the video anymore. And I'm going to play the letter E. This is a song called Sweet Water Rolling. Take your scarf and make a window. Let's sway it from side to side. Sweet water rolling, sweet water rolling, rolling from the fountain, sweet water roll, sweet water rolling, sweet water rolling, rolling from the fountain, sweet water roll. Take your scarf and we're going to move it up like this. Sol, do. Try it out. Sol, do. This time, instead of swaying, let's make our own moves with the scarf. The scarf really flows and drifts and floats. Try to use that to inform your movement. Yeah. Try to make your body float and flow just like the scarf. Sweet water rolling, sweet water rolling, rolling from the fountain, sweet water roll, sweet water rolling, sweet water rolling, rolling from the fountain, sweet water roll. Take your scarf and move it up. Sol, do. One more time. Sol, do. Let's bring our scarves on down to the ground. Great. So we're going to put our scarves to one side, and the next thing we'll do, we'll go on to our next video, and we're going to use the rhythm sticks in a little bit. So here's another chance. If you haven't found any rhythm sticks or objects that you want to use as rhythm sticks, you've got a chance to do it right now before our next video. I'll see you then.